So guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Token Trackers. And PAWS has finally listed, and you can see it right here. You can see that it's listed at around 0.008 somewhere thereabout. You can see it right here. And then if you look at the chart, you see that it's not automatically dumping. When it came down, it's trying to pump right here. You see it's trying to play in an uptrend chart, as you can see right here. So when I look at this chart, I'm thinking about X Empire. This is similar to the chart of X Empire. If you have been participating in other airdrops, you discover that as soon as it leaves, it starts to fall down. But if you look at this one right here, you see that it's struggling to pump, and I am beginning to think that probably PAWS listed at this low price for people who wants to sell it, and then they cannot pump the price. In the days of X Empire, when X Empire did this, they ended up pumping up to about 6x, and so many people who held back their tokens made massive profits from it. Now, this is not a financial advice for you to hold. It is based on you. You should make your own research and make your own decisions whether to hold or sell. So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can claim your PAWS tokens on chain. So if you didn't receive your tokens on Bybit, I'm quickly going to show you how you can claim it on chain in this particular video. So please, before we go into that, please, if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So let's quickly go into it. So all you have to do is head over to your Phantom wallet. So in your Phantom wallet, you're going to just come over to the dashboard section right here. So you wait for it to load, and then you're going to come over to next, and then you click on the next, and then you can see this is your allocation. So initially this allocation was claimed to Bybit, but it was not sent to Bybit. So a lot of people will still not receive their tokens. So this one was not sent to Bybit, and as the time it was claimed to Bybit, it was showing 8,000. But right now, you see, because they were not able to send it to Bybit, they have refunded it with some additionals on it. That is why you see that it has climbed to 9,000 right here. So all you have to do is come down to claim right here, and then you hit on the claim, and then you are going to come over here to click on I have read and accepted the PAWS token airdrop. So you enable that, and then you're just going to come down and click on continue. So once you click on continue, you can see that claim PAWS. You can see withdrawal options. The centralized exchanges has closed, and you already know that. So the next thing is the on-chain. It has been enabled now, so you can just come over, click on that. So once you click on that, just wait for it. It might be slow. Let me just tell you, it might not also claim right now because I have delayed a bit. You can see I'm claiming 12:32. That's 12:32, 32 minutes after the listing. So there will be a lot of traffic right now. So if it is not working, you should know exactly where it is coming from. And then you can see that this is the value of network fee that I'm going to be charged. So don't worry about this thing that you are seeing right here, that an account involved in this transaction does not have enough. So I actually have enough. I have over $1 worth of Solana right here. So all you have to do is come down, and then you click on continue anyway. So you click on continue, and then once you click on continue, you can see the website is too much congested. So let me keep trying. So you can keep trying until you see claim. So as soon as you see claim and hit on that, your tokens will now be claimed and sent to your Phantom. So let me see. You see it's still showing the same thing, but if you were to get here, you will find it for you to claim, and that is how you can claim it. Then how to be sure whether you are claiming, you have to come back right here, and then once you come back right here, you can see you are back in your Phantom. So in your Phantom right now, you can see this is Solana. I have $1.2 worth of Solana right here. So once you claim it, your PAWS is going to also appear here, like these tokens that you are seeing, they will appear here, and then you can simply send it to an exchange. So let me quickly show you how you can send it to an exchange. It's very easy. So once you get over to this place, remember you still have some Solana. So if it were that your PAWS has appeared here and this is your PAWS, what you are going to do is this. First, you head over to your exchange. So let's say you want to deposit it to BitGet. So this is BitGet. You are just going to come over to BitGet. So once you are on BitGet like this, you can see I'm on home. So you are going to come over to asset, and then click on add funds. So once you click on add funds, you are going to come down here and click on deposit crypto, and then once you click on deposit crypto, you can just come over here and search for PAWS. So you can see this is it right here. So I will just click on PAWS. So once I click on it, you can see this is the deposit address. You can just copy it. So once you copy it, you head back to your Phantom. Once you come back here, you just have to click on send. So once you click on send, you just wait for it to load, and then you are going to select, let's say if it was PAWS, this you are going to see PAWS right here, so you can just select it. So once you select it, you can just go ahead, paste the address that you copied, and then come down here and click on next. You will see the transaction fee that they are going to charge you, and then you confirm the transaction, and that is how you can send your tokens to your exchange. Now, why are you sending to your exchange? Is for you to trade it right there and be easy for you to convert it using the P2P to your local currency. But if you want to just swap right here, it's very easy. You can just come over to the swap button right here and still swap your PAWS to USDT or even Solana if you choose to. So it's very simple. So once you click on that, you can just say pay. So what are you paying? You are paying PAWS, so you just select PAWS right here. So what do you want to receive? So you just click here, and then you are going to insert here. So once you insert here, you are going to a swapping button will appear. So once you click on that, you will successfully convert your PAWS tokens to your chosen currency. So that is that, and that is what I just thought of sharing you in this particular video. So please, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.